Ha ha ha! Chewy and Biggs, I finally got you this time. Your new employee signed over all the rights to destroy your shop.
Ah, shit. What are we gonna do?
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Fred's gonna destroy the shop!
Yeah, Gordy. Craig messed up big time.
Oh no, that's horrible. Wait a minute. What about the songbirds nesting on your roof?
About that, we bought a scare schlong because they weren't letting us sleep.
Wait a minute. I have a plan.
Schlong! Schlong!
Now you just hold on right a second, Fred. Under the Songbird Protection Act of 2014, under Singapogos Article 12, you are not allowed to destroy any residence or business inhabited by songbirds or songbird-like animals. Fucker.
Damn it, Chewy and Biggs! I'll get you one day! Oh crap, Crank! I hit the self-destruct button!